called mabuyu.
Mm-hmm.
Mabuyu comes from the baobab tree.
Yeah, they're the baobab seeds, right? Yes.
And it's of course a very hard seed. I don't know if ever you've seen that. Using
not
for identifying the users
I think
members of the library.
I don't know, not much, because when I studied in university already, all of our books were online, so we didn't really have a need for physical books. So.
Thank you.
The bus is the matatus. Yeah.
So the matatus, of course, I'm sure you are aware. Anything in particular you have noticed on our streets?
Not sure exactly what you mean, like what?
For example, on this end of the street,
Yeah,
up ahead,
yeah,
behind us,
yeah. The cameras.
right.
Yeah, yeah,
The cameras. So the cameras, it's all about young men and women coming
Yeah.
on the street, doing photography,
yeah,
and they do it so they can earn a living.
yeah,
They were allowed again after COVID
yeah,
as a way of just coming out there on the street, making a living, and
yeah.
somehow they stuck around even today.
Yeah, because one question, what was Nairobi like? What was it like in Kenya during COVID? Did you go into lockdown, into full lockdown?
We were not really in lockdown.
Yeah?
We were more, they had curfew.
Curfew. Ah, okay, I understand.
Curfew and social distancing
Yeah,
was kind of
yeah,
really emphasized on.
yes,
So I could go on the street.
yes, but not for certain times, and you had to be away from people, right?
Yes. So by evening, sometimes by 6 p.m.
Yeah.
should be at home.
Okay.
Later on, they change it to around 9 p.m.
No, thank you.
Hi. So you
Yeah.
get guys like him
Yeah.
inviting you for photos.
During COVID, we went into full lockdown. So for 3 months, no one could leave the house, not for work, not for anything, only for essential things, like to buy groceries and things like that. But even then, they said use Uber, like to bring you the food and things like that. But there were ways around it. So for example, if you have a dog, you can go to walk the dog. So suddenly everyone started buying dogs. And if you had elders, like for example a grandmother who needs help and needs, for example, someone to bring her food, you could go to give her food. So what a lot of people would do, they would leave the house with a bag of pasta, for example, and then if the police stopped them, they would say, oh, I'm just going to my grandma, and maybe you wouldn't. But if you wanted to go outside, you had to have a bag of pasta or a bag of rice or something like that, just in case you were stopped. So you could say,
So your bag of rice became your passport.
yeah, basically. So it was, and then when the lockdown